What a shot, but what a shot by him. What a shot, yaar. What a shot. What a shot. Service goes to Podasai, score 2 equal, 2 saman, 2 each. Right. Podasai score 2 and Rayagada score 2-2. Score is equal. Score saman. Match is running. Who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match. This is Daba Volleyball from Podasai grounds. Evening match. First match. Big teams, big players. Rayagada team captain Munabai. Podasai captain Punas. Puna versus Munabai. What a taken. What a taken. Game is running. Yes. What a timing. What a match. This is evening match. Yes. What a match. Score equal 2-2. Rayagada score 2. Podasai score 2. 2 equal. Game is running. What a shot. What a game. This is big game. Yes. This is evening match. Podasai versus Rayagada. Score 3-2. Service goes to Podasai. Score 3-2. Podasai score 3. Rayagada score 2. What a shot. Yeah, service goes to Rayagada players Mohan. Score 2-3. Rayagada score 2 and Podasai score 3. What a match. Service goes to Rayagada score 3 equal, 3 saman, 3 all. What a match. 3-3. 50-50. Who is won? Who is lost? What a game. Players playing well. What a shots, what a takens. This is Daba Volleyball from Podasai grounds. Yes. What a match. This is evening match. Podasai versus Rayagada. Score 3 each. 3 saman. Yes. What a shot by Neeraj. Game is running. Wonderful match. Podasai grounds today. What a shot. Service goes to Podasai. Score 3 equal, 3 saman, 3 all. Yes, this is evening game. What a shot, yaar. Service goes to Rayagada. Score 3 equal, 3 saman. What a match. 3-3, 50-50. 2 teams playing well. Players, hitters. Good hitters. Big players. This is interesting match. Evening match. Fresh match. First match. Yes. Score 3 equal. 3 saman. Mohan. Raigada player. Yes. Raigada big player. Pavitro. Playing as well. What a hitters. Yes, game is running. Podasai versus Raigada match. Yes. What a match. This is evening match. Raigada versus Podasai match. Score 3-3. Service goes to Podasai. Score 3 equal, 3 saman, 3 all. Good playing players. Raigada players, Podasai players. 2 team players playing as well. Score is 3 equal, 3 saman. Yes. What a weather. Very cool. Match is running. Good players. Good shots, good takens, good timing. Who's who take the point? Wait and see. What a shots. This is Daba volleyball from Podasai grounds. Munabai versus Purna's match. First match, evening match. Yes. What a game. What a shots. What a takens. Players, all players. 12 players playing as well. 2 team players. Super playing. This is, I think, interesting match. Score 3 equal, 3 saman. What a shots, what a takens. Good game. This is Daba volleyball. Service goes to Podasai, Captain Purna, score 4-3. Score 4-3. Game is running. Yes, what a shot. What a shot. Yes, game is running. This is evening match, Podasai versus Raigada match. What a shot. What a shot by Purnas. But Raigada plays takens. What a game. This is evening game. What a shot by... Service goes to Raigada Captain Munnabai. Score 3-4. What a shot. Service goes to Podasai. Score 4-3. Yes, match is running. Score 4-3. Raigada score 3. Podasai score 4. Game is running. What a match. What a shot. Yes. What a match here. This is Daba volleyball from Podasai grounds. 2 team players playing as well. Big players, big shots. Game is running. Very interesting game. Home grounds from Podasai. Score 4-3. What a shots. What a match. This is evening match. Padasai versus Rayagadu. Score 4-3. What a game. What a playing players. This is Daba volleyball from Padasai grounds. What a shot by Mohan. Game is running. Players very interesting playing. This is game. Yes.